Hi guys, okay, today we are going to be unboxing my, I did not plan this out, my Boxycharm. I'm trying to hold my tea because I'm freezing and it's like really windy and rainy out, so I'm all nice and cozy. Okay, so let's just jump right into it because this is what you came here for. Today we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. If you're unfamiliar, Boxycharm is $25 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. I've never gotten 4, I've always gotten 5 to 6, but let's just jump right into it. This is what it looks like. Comes in a box like this. I did cut it open just to make my life 10 times easier. Also, you guys let me know what you guys think of this backdrop. Yes, it is a backdrop, obviously. Let me know what you guys think. I kind of like it, it's kind of cute. Okay, so you open it up and it says, @Boxycharm, #Boxycharm, hello charmers. If you guys are interested in this box, I will have a link to it in the description box down below. Open it up and this is what it looks like. You get a card. It says, breaking the ice. And that is the theme for this month. And I got variation 25. On the back side, it's got all the products and a little bit about them. And then we got some foam. You peel back the foam and these are the products. So let's just start with this thing right here. And this is the Manna Kadar Beauty Simplified Lip Whip in Faith. Okay, so it looks like this. It is safety sealed. I will pull the safety seal off. I've never tried a lip product from Manna Kadar, I don't think. I have heard of the brand. We've gotten a few items from them in other subscription boxes, but I don't think I've ever used a lip product. Okay, so I pull it off and this is what it looks like. Let's pull the top off, maybe. Okay, so it doesn't pull, it twists. Oh, it's a liquid lipstick. I thought this would be just a regular lipstick. It is a liquid lipstick. Okay, let's swatch this. Doesn't have a smell. It's a really pretty color. Let's see. Okay, so that's the shade. It is really pretty. Let's apply some because why not? That is the shade applied. Really pretty, like pinky peach shade. It's a little messy, but not anything crazy. We'll see if it dries down. Let's see what the card has to say. The card says, Manna Kadar Beauty Lip Whip, a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection. Easy to apply and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. Okay, I mean, it is drying down. Let's do a transfer test. Okay, I'm just getting like a little bit, but that is okay. And I'm actually, once it dries down, the color does change, deepen a little bit. Not anything crazy. It is a really pretty color. And so far, the formula is really nice. Not sticky or anything. I like that. I'm excited about that. And that retails for $21. Okay, let's pull out the next thing. Okay, the next thing is, okay, this is by Pretty Vulgar. And it is a Undercover Little White Lies. I'm going to assume this is a concealer, which this is the first time Boxycharm has ever done a complexion product in the boxes. Let's open this up and see if this is my shade. It looks just a hair dark. It's in the shade 60, Little White Lies. Okay, so this is about my foundation shade. Not a concealer shade for me. That is probably close to my foundation shade. I will get some use out of it, you know, maybe cover up some blemishes and things. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I tried a sample of this in a previous box. I'm not sure. But that shade is definitely not as light as I would need it. Let's see what the card has to say about that concealer. It says, Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and galactorabinium to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The Inko doe-foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable, long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types, and it retails for $25 for a concealer. Next product we have is by Avant, and it's the 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. I'm not a huge fan of sleeping masks. Looks like this. Very pretty. And it looks like this. It's 1.69 fluid ounces. Let's see if it's safety sealed. It does have a safety seal on it, which is a good thing. It does have a safety seal on it, which is a good thing, but I'm not a huge fan of sleeping masks. Let's see what the card has to say about that. Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. The 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask wants to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Okay, so it's a basic radiance mask. Are you joking me? This little itty bitty tiny bottle retails for $107. What? No. Like, never, ever would I pay $107 for this. Well, now I have to try it. If it retails for that much, this better give me new skin. Like, no. That is ridiculous. Like, come on. The next product we have is by Inko, and this is a brand I have heard of and tried a bunch of products from. But this is the Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage Micro Exfoliator, and it's a face gommage. So it's a face cleanser. It's a micro like scrubby face cleanser. It's a face exfoliator. That's what I'm trying to look, the word I'm trying to look for. I have tried this before. I actually think I have a sample of this. I do really like this. It is really nice, and it's not too harsh for my skin. So the retail value for this is $34. The retail value for this is $28, and it says a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxidant dismutase and powerful free radical scavengers that reduce the signs of aging, gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. So I'm excited about this. I'm definitely going to use this. I love a good scrub. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauté, and it's the Vintage Dawn palette. I love that packaging. We have tried this brand before, and we've gotten a palette, I'm pretty sure, from them in a previous box. And we've gotten like eyeliners and things like that. Let's open this up. Okay, so we open it up and it has that same packaging, which I love. And then let's see what colors these are. Ooh, okay. So it comes with one of these little things, and you do get a mirror. This is the mirror. It's a pretty decent sized mirror, but those are the shades. Oh my goodness. Those are gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh. I am excited about that. Let's do some swatches. Okay, so these are the shades, and I think that last row is probably my favorite. Let's go over the names. So this first shade is Sun, and then we have Daybreak, and then Horizon, Gleam, Grand Canyon, Golden Hour, Pyramid, Fade, Serengeti, Cactus, Sky, and Dew. So that last row has to be my absolute favorite, but like this and these two shades and the yellow, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. We don't get palettes like this very often in Boxycharm, and this is gorgeous. I am ecstatic about that. But you guys, let's see how much that retails for. Ace Beauté eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets, witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. $34.99. Little pricey, however, I'm excited to try those shades. That is everything we got, you guys, for $25. There's a few items I'll use, but some of these I'm just kind of like, blah. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys think this is worth the $25. If you guys are interested in subscribing, I will have a link in the top of the description box down below. But that is everything. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you and you want to become best friends, go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. That is everything. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.